AC machine to recover your gas, to charge your system, and also to vacuum your vehicle system. And it's all incorporated in just one fully automated machine. Follow me and I'm going to show you how it's been done. This is Daily a Day. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification for my videos that will be coming up very soon, and I'll be giving you tips on how to do it yourself, the DIY videos. Remember to give me a thumbs up and I'll make sure that I give you more videos on do it yourself. Thanks. Follow me outside, teach you how to vacuum and make use of your fully automated AC system. Here we have the fully automatic AC system that performs series of actions. The manifold gauge on the machine shows the reading of the refrigerants entering and coming out of the vehicle. We have the low pressure side, we have the high pressure side, we have the work tank pressure in the system, and here this display shows the series of functions this machine can perform. You can drain your oil, you can recover the refrigerant, you can vacuum the system, you can inject compressor oil, and you can also charge your system with refrigerant. The machine is connected to the electrical source, and the low and high pressure hoses have been connected to the vehicle already. Here we have the adapter connected to the low pressure side of the vehicle, and the red is attached to the high pressure side of the vehicle. These are color indicators. On the display, I will show you how to recover refrigerant from the system. It's quite easy. Once you depress your recovery button, you depress the start button, and it starts recovering refrigerant from the system. The display shows the amount of refrigerant coming out of the system, and here you can measure the exact amount that has been charged or either recovered from the system. Now at this moment we've recovered 0.34 kg, and I'm gonna stop the machine because it has recovered enough, 0.35 kg. Now I'm going to be vacuuming the system, and the essence of vacuuming the system is to be able to remove any form of moisture that must have been accumulated in the system and any form of dirt. Now when you're vacuuming at a high pressure. This is in order to be able to remove every form of dirt and moisture that may have settled down in the system. Now once you're vacuuming, the manifold gauge readings will start coming down to the point of 0. This is showing that there's no air in the system. It's free of air, and this will enable the compressor to function well and the AC system to function well. Now once it's at the point of 0, this is showing that the system has been fully vacuumed. To an extent it goes below 0, say -1, and once you finish vacuuming, you need to wait for a minute to confirm if there are no leakages in the system. And once this gauge readings do not fluctuate, or once the manifold gauge doesn't move, it shows the system is free of air and is airtight. Now we are going to charge the system with refrigerant, and I'm just going to charge the system with 0.50 kg for demonstration purposes. Now once you're charging at a low pressure. Now you can see the manifold gauge on the low pressure side. You can see that it's reading because it feels the presence of refrigerant entering into the system, and the system is quite fast. Because the system is free of air and it can take in refrigerant very easily. Now we are done with charging, and I'll stop the system. Now I'm going to be using the manifold gauge on the machine to measure the readings on the compressor and on the condenser. Now the vehicle has been switched on and you can see the low pressure side coming down. This reads the value of the compressor when it's activated and working, and the high pressure side reads the value of the condenser. It reads both the pressures. It reads the pressure in the condenser. So currently the vehicle is switched on and the low pressure side is on 50 and the high pressure side is reading 150 inch mercury. This is how you will know your AC system is cooling properly. The low pressure line will be cool and sweaty when touched, and the high pressure line will be fairly hot when touched. Remember to check for condensation underneath your vehicle while the AC system is running. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video.